from yoga guru to would-be politician to business tycoon. The meteoric rise of Baba Ramdev and his yoga and Ayurveda empire is now getting as much attention as his fight against corruption. The government is hot on his trail. Details made available by government sources to CNN-IBN reveals a maze of companies that were run and maintained by Baba's key men. Over 200 businesses, from broadcasting companies including Astha TV to food parks, are run by his trusted lieutenants Acharya Balakrishnan and Mukta Anand. There are no specific charges against them that the finance ministry is looking at, but a detailed income tax survey is currently on. Now even Hindu spiritual leaders want a probe into Ramdev's assets.
बाबा रामदेव ने 8 साल में अकूत संपत्ति बनाई है, वो काला धन है और उसको जब्त होना चाहिए.
Now questions are also being asked about the nationality of Balakrishna, who's mysteriously disappeared from public view after the midnight swoop at Ramleela Maidan.
ये नेपाली है और नेपाल में मुझे बताया गया है कि वहाँ जुर्म करके भागकर हरिद्वार आ गया था और यहाँ ये हिंदुस्तान का नागरिक गया और पासपोर्ट बनवा लिया.
If that isn't enough, it now appears that the Baba has also run foul of the US FDA. He's been denied permission to sell Ayurveda products in the United States. The FDA has labelled allegations of misbranding, selling products that are either not listed or not approved. The Health Ministry says it will scrutinize the drug business of Ramdev.
So I think we should have to deal with that subject separately when the dust settles down.
This isn't the first brush with controversy for Ramdev. In January 2006, CNN-IBN had reported land grab by Ramdev's Patanjali Peeth Yog. Now the Roorkee SDM has confirmed a farmland grab of over 2.98 hectares. Asked about these allegations of land grab against the Divya Yog Trust in 2006, this is how Acharya Balakrishna had then reacted.
नहीं, मैं आपको क्यों उत्तर दूं? आप कौन होते हैं मुझसे पूछने वाले? और किस अधिकार से आप मुझसे पूछ रहे हो?
Baba Ramdev's fight against corruption has opened him to many charges and many inquiries into the rise and rise of his business empire in the past 8 years. And the 1100 crore yoga to medicine business is also facing charges of land grab. But an aggressive probe by the Congress at this moment could well attract charges of a witch hunt against a Baba who dared the government, something that could well generate a sympathy backlash. In New Delhi, this is Neetu Jain.